In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy candles in TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader looking to replicate patterns for analysis or just getting started, understanding how to use this charting feature can be incredibly beneficial. So let's dive right into the process. First, you need to navigate to the TradingView website and head over to the chart section. This is where you will be doing most of your work. If you don't already have a TradingView account, make sure to sign up and log in because you'll need it to access the charting tools. Once you're on the chart page, you'll notice a variety of options on the side toolbar. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with these tools as they are crucial for your charting and analysis. Next, on the left sidebar of your chart, locate the forecasting and measurement tools icon. It's an aspect of TradingView that might sometimes be overlooked, but it houses a set of highly useful utilities for technical analysis. Click on this icon to expand the list of available tools. Here, you'll find several forecasting instruments, but today we're interested in one specific tool, the bars pattern. Now, let's proceed by selecting the bars pattern tool from this list. This tool allows you to copy and replicate candlestick patterns efficiently. It's particularly advantageous when you're trying to study past patterns and predict potential future movements. Once you've selected it, you're ready to copy the candlesticks of your choice. To do this, simply draw a line over the candles you aim to copy. This line marks the start and end points of the candlestick pattern you're interested in. Be precise with your selection to ensure you're capturing exactly what you need. Once you've defined the pattern with your starting and ending points, the pattern gets highlighted automatically. Now that the pattern is selected, you'll see handles on the blue outline of the pattern. Click on any handle and hold your mouse down while you drag the copy of the candlestick pattern to your desired location on the chart. This action effectively duplicates the selected candles. It's a straightforward method to experiment with pattern placements and forecast the potential continuation of existing trends or the inception of new ones. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to copy candles in TradingView. This feature can be an invaluable tool in your trading toolbox, allowing you to backtest strategies and hone your skills. Experimenting with different patterns, moving them across various historical points, and analyzing how they align with future movements can significantly enhance your trading insights. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials for more trading tips and tricks.